Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, do well by clicking on the subscribe button. Like, share, make your comments. We'd love to watch out for it. Now, let's take a look at GBPUSD for the next day. But before that, guys, do well to follow us on Telegram. You will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So, at first, GBPUSD gave us a double top around this level. That is an indication that price wants to reverse. As me, you can see that this was literally spiking up to the upside. Then when you add this double top, it means market wants to reverse. Then we add this drop, we add this pullback to test it, we add this drop. Now market has eventually break out of it. So what GBP USD is currently doing is that since market has already break out of this, we would expect GBP USD to give us a pullback to test it. Once it tests it, expect another impulse move to the upside. So basically, we'll be expecting a new higher highs. So once the pullback plays out, a new higher highs will be made, thereby coming to give us this, tap this. We would find as we would take a look at this to be the resistance, then a little bit of a pullback before GBPUSD will give us a new movement to the upside. So basically, once this pullback is over, a new higher highs is what we should be watching out for on GBPUSD. Follow us on Telegram so you can get more updates from us. The link to our Telegram channel will be in the comment section.